In this tutorial, I want to show you how to use the RMA app in order to add new ministry sites as well as new leaders. First of all, you're going to click on the menu button there. We're going to look at users and sites. So let's add a new site first of all. New ministry site, we're going to call this one Central High. And that's the name of the site now. You just hit Create Ministry Site. Fantastic. I can take a look down here and I've got North, South, and there we go, Central High. Now I need to add a new user in order to have them be someone that works at Central High. So my new user, I'm going to call this one Sarah Sanders. And then the leader type for Sarah, she is a ministry leader. I'll select that. Then I need to look at the ministry sites. Like I said, this person is going to be at Central High. That's where this particular ministry person is going to be doing ministry. Then I need to look at the user role, and this is a leader in our ministry. The manager is very important. Who is the ministry site leader at Central High? I'm going to say that's, or who does that person report to? We're going to say it's Ryan Beal for right now. That means all the numbers that come into the reports for Sarah are going to be reported to Ryan, and then anyone that Ryan reports to, her numbers will be accumulated into his and then passed up the hierarchy chain. We're going to have to get some information here, an email address at, we'll just say rmareport.com, and her mobile phone number is 555-867-5309. All right, now I'm going to just create that user, and it'll tell you how many seats you have left in your account, as well as now that user is able to log in and start tracking their RMAs. Looking forward to hearing how this particular app helps you to improve the impact that you're having in the ministry where you have been placed. Thank you so much. Have a good day.